Click on search and search themes. Now click on themes and related settings from the search result. Now here you will get an option, get more themes in Microsoft Store. Just click on it. Now select your favorite theme which you want. Most of them are free, and also ratings are there to let you identify which is much better. For example, let's say we select this theme. Just click on it. It will load for a while. Now click on Get. Now click on Install. Once it has installed, now go to Settings, and here you will see this Colorful Boats theme which you have just installed. Just select this, and now you can see your theme has been changed. Please do like the video to support us.